Long ago, there was a beautiful kingdom called Ilaria. People said it was the happiest place in the world. Music played in the streets. Children laughed every day. But one day, something strange happened. People still worked. They still talked. But they stopped smiling. The kingdom became quiet. In this kingdom lived Prince Leo. Prince Leo was not famous for fighting. He was famous because he listened. He listened to old people. He listened to children. He listened to sad people. Prince Leo saw that people were not happy anymore.
They look alive, but their hearts feel empty.
Far away, near a calm lake, stood a tall white tower. Inside lived Princess Alina. She was once very special. She could feel emotions very strongly. She felt happiness, sadness, love, and pain more than anyone else. When her mother died, Alina felt deep pain. She felt her own pain. She felt the pain of the whole kingdom. It was too much. So she made a choice. She closed her heart. She stopped feeling. She became silent. And when she did this, the kingdom also became quiet inside. Prince Leo searched old books in the castle. One book said, "If the heart of the kingdom closes, the people will forget how to feel." Prince Leo understood. Someone important had closed their heart. He decided to find that person. Prince Leo walked for many days. He reached the White Tower. Inside, he saw Princess Alina standing near a window. She did not smile. She did not speak much.
You don't need to talk. I am here to listen.
Alina looked surprised. No one had said that before. Prince Leo came every day. He talked about small things, the sky, the wind, children playing. Alina listened. Slowly, her heart began to wake up. One day she spoke.
I closed my heart because the pain was too strong. When I closed it, the world also became quiet.
Pain is hard, but it is part of life. We cannot avoid it, but we can feel it together.
When Alina started feeling again, something dark appeared. From the lake came a shadow called the Hollow King.
I am born from forgotten feelings.
People were afraid. Soldiers could not stop it. Alina was scared. If she opened her heart fully, the pain would return. Prince Leo held her hand.
You are not alone.
Alina took a deep breath. She opened her heart. She felt pain. She felt love. She felt hope. The dark shadow became weak. You cannot control us. Feelings make us human. The shadow slowly disappeared. Music returned to Ilaria. People laughed again. Some people cried again. And that was okay. Prince Leo and Princess Alina ruled together. They taught the people.
It is okay to feel.
A full heart is a strong heart.
Feelings are not bad.
They make us human and strong.
Has there ever been a pain in your life that changed you completely?